Lesson 92, finding arithmetic sequences. Hey. Well, that's... Okay, so when you have a term, and if it's called a sub 1, so term a sub 1 just means the first term in your sequence. So the term a sub 5 just means the fifth term in the sequence. So an arithmetic sequence, it has a common difference. That means between two terms in the sequence, there's going to be a common difference. So for instance, if I have this arithmetic sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, the common difference is a plus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2. So if we have, this would be an example of a problem. Find the common difference and the next two terms of the given sequence. So here's our sequence: 50, 38, 26, 14, and so on. To find the common difference, you take one term on the right side minus a term on the left. So if I take 38 minus 50, it would be a negative 12. So the common difference, D, is negative 12. That means I'm subtracting 12 each time. So the next two terms, if I do 14 minus 12, I'll get 2, and 2 minus 12 is a negative 10. So that would be the answer to that particular problem. When we're doing arithmetic sequences, we can have what's called an explicit formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So with this formula, you can find any term in the sequence if you know the first term and the common difference. So let's say we are asked to find, here's another example, the 12th term of this sequence. And it is 8, 17, 26, 35, and so on. We want the 12th term, and we don't want to have to do it by finding each term all the way up to 12. So we just need the first term, which is 8. We need to find the common difference, which is 17 minus 8, which is 9. So we want the 12th term. A sub 12 equals a sub 1 plus 12 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 9. So a sub 1 is 8. Whoops, so we have to do 8 plus 11 times 9. So we just do 99 plus 8, which is 107. And that would be the 12th term of that arithmetic sequence. Another example, find the 20th term of 51, 45, 39, 33, so on and so forth. So a sub 20 equals term 1, 51, plus 20 minus 1, or 19 times, and the common difference is a negative 6. So we do 19 times negative 6 plus 51 is going to give us a negative 63. So the 20th term of that sequence would be negative 63. One more example is where you have to find a sub 1. given other information such as, let me give you this example. Find a sub 1 given that a sub 9 equals 22 and a sub 20 equals 66. Okay, wait a minute. So, we can say that 22, so a sub 9, 22 equals a sub 1 plus 9 minus 1, or 8, times the common difference. And then for a sub 20, we have 66 equals a sub 1 plus 19 times d. Now we can subtract these two equations.
Elimination.
By elimination. So we can say that, in fact, let me subtract the opposite way. So this is a minus, minus, minus. So 66 minus 22, 44 equals 19 minus 8, 11 d. So the common difference is 4. So now we can find a sub 1 by plugging in d equals 4. 11d. So then, okay, so then we have a sub 1 plus 8 times 4 equals 22. So I'm just plugging it into the original one without all these minus signs. So a sub 1 plus 32 equals 22. Subtract 32, so a sub 1 is negative 10. Sorry, I tried to fit that all in one page. That's the end of the lesson.